we're going to import some data into this CaseWare file. So when we do this with our clients, typically we would find the right report in their ERP system, whatever that ERP system is. We'd get you to dump that out to Excel, and we would suck that in from Excel. So we pointed at an Excel file, and it's just as simple as, quite literally, pointing it at an Excel file. And during implementation, we will have defined a layout file that teaches CaseWare how to read the spreadsheet. And so once that's done, as a user of the system in your first live year end, very typically, you're just going to be able to say next, 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 done. And this is CaseWare reviewing that file, allowing you to make changes if things have changed from one year to the next. In our case, nothing has changed. So we're going to be able to say next, 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 import. Now, let me just pop open my timer here. So I'm on the West Coast, 10:31 a.m. That Excel file has about 3,000 GL accounts in it. That took us about 60 seconds to bring in 3,000 GL accounts. And we're going to start to show you the fundamental differences between working in an organized, database-driven solution versus, sort of a wide array of spreadsheets and word processing documents. Step number one is we have a full audit trail that's starting immediately. What user brought in what file? What GL balances did they bring in? Current year, prior year, and budget? When did they do this? And so really commonly, you're going to have another 100 or a new 1,000 GL accounts that we need to deal with this year versus last year. And if account records had existed before this import, CaseWare would show us all the new GL accounts right here so that we know there's work that we've got to do. Here's 1,000 new GL accounts that were just added. Please go teach CaseWare where those accounts belong. Try doing that in a spreadsheet. Good luck to you. You now need to figure out what your new GL accounts are versus the old ones and make sure you modify formulas to include them. So not only do we get an audit trail, CaseWare's already starting to do a bunch of this analysis for us. Why? Because we've got a standardized database running. Thank you very much for your time, everyone.